Anger facts: men are more physical with anger than women. Animal facts: leopards are very solitary and spend most of their time alone. They each have their own territory and leave scratches on trees, urine scent marks, and poop to warn other leopards to stay away. Males and females will cross territories, but only to mate. Body language facts: 5 things you can do to be happier. 1. Meditation. 2. Smiling. 3. Exercise. 4. Help others. 5. Follow your passion. Brain facts: approximately 20% of the total oxygen in the human body is used by the brain. The brain also uses 20% of the body's total blood. Brainy facts: our brain usually likes responding to people who have similar tastes and preferences, and more to people we already know. Children facts: trauma or exposure to toxins during the prenatal period can impact later childhood development. Some dangers include prenatal exposure to drugs, toxins, and disease. Colors facts: The oceans cover some 70% of Earth's surface, yet humans have only explored about 5%. Depression facts: crying keeps you healthy by literally flushing away harmful bacteria and reducing stress. Emotions facts: it takes for seconds for a silence to become awkward. Extrovert facts: EXT, ROV, or TS are expected to be the one to keep up the conversation or feel instantly comfortable when confronting a stranger. But some extroverts can still have the I am shy until you get to know me personality. Friendship facts: Having no friends could be as deadly as smoking. A Harvard University study suggested there's single quotes as a link between loneliness and the levels of a blood-clotting protein, which can cause heart attacks and stroke. General facts: some snakes can sense when an earthquake is coming. Zhang Weisong, director of Nanning's Earthquake Bureau, discovered snakes can predict earthquakes from up to 75 miles away, and as much as 5 days in advance. Coming tremors make the snakes behave erratically, throwing them. Happiness facts: spending money on your loved ones or friends yields more happiness and satisfaction than spending it on yourself. Health facts: for developing a new habit, follow it for 21 days. It will eventually become a routine. Human behavior facts: if someone waits for you, it does not mean that they have nothing else to do. It just means that nothing else is more important than you. Human body facts: Did you ever wonder why the color of our blood is red? Here's the answer. The iron present in our blood forms a ring of atoms called porphyrin. The shape of this structure produces the red color. The shape of the porphyrin is affected by the presence of oxygen in your blood. Hunger and food facts: India is the world's largest producer of bananas, producing nearly 22 million tons in 2007. Introvert facts: most introverts hate phone calls as they lead to unnecessary conversation, hence prefers to text as they are good at writing. Jealousy facts: jealousy is actually described as being different from envy. Jealousy is described as happening when something negative takes place, such as experiencing loss, something being taken away. Envy, on the other hand, is described as the feeling experienced when someone does not ... Laughter facts: most laughter is not about humor, it's about relationships between people. We are 30 more times likely to laugh in a social situation than when we are alone. Left-handed people facts. Lefties in the British royal family include the Queen Mother, Queen Elizabeth II, Prince Charles, and Prince William. Love facts. Beware of scammers. At least 10% of the new accounts are from scammers on free dating sites. Men facts. Guys hate asking for help most of the time and will avoid talking about any help until they feel they can't do it by themselves. Obsessive-compulsive old is one type of OCD. Obsessive love disorder, OLD, refers to a condition where you become obsessed with one person you think you may be in love with. You might feel the need to protect your loved one obsessively or even become controlling of them as if they were a posse. People facts. People tend to become silent when angry in order to prevent an argument. Personality facts. Your personality is relatively stable throughout life. Phobia facts. Social phobia involves the fear of social situations and can be quite debilitating. In many cases, these phobias can become so severe that people avoid events, places, and people who are likely to trigger an anxiety attack. Psychological facts. Psychology claims that if two past lovers can remain just friends, it's either they are still in love or never were. Sixth sense facts. The sixth sense is another term for extrasensory perception. Extrasensory perception, ESP, would involve the reception of information not gained through the recognized senses and not internally originated. According to the National Science Foundation, extrasensory perception, Sleep facts. People are likely to cry at night because the lack of sleep makes emotions hard to control. Smoking facts. Automaker, an anti-cigarette activist. Henry Ford popularized the term the little white slaver in reference to the cigarette. Both Thomas Edison and Henry Ford objected cigarettes and refuse to hire anyone who smoked them. Technology facts. Social media gives rise to cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is an enormous concern, especially for adolescents. Teenagers facts. Teenagers are not that good at reading emotions as adults or even children. Women facts. Women often find themselves more attracted to someone with the ability to make them laugh. Laughter strengthens relationships. Writing facts. The best things in life are usually found when you are not looking for them.